How to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started for this tutorial. Now starting off, you need to launch your TikTok application. Once you are in here, you need to log in into your account. If your TikTok photo swipe is not working, make sure that you have added multiple photographs and that is actually supported by TikTok. If not, you can tap open your phone setting and head to the apps option. Select on all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for your TikTok. Force stop your TikTok app. Head to storage and cache and clear up the cache. Once you are in your settings, you can head back from here. Now navigate to the option of System Update. Ensure that your system is up to date so that it can support the latest feature and version of your application. Next step, open up your Play Store or App Store if you are using an iOS device. Search for TikTok app. In here, if there is an update, just leave it for an update. If not, uninstall your application and reinstall it later. You can also press and hold onto your TikTok application, where it will lead to your app info, then follow the same step of clearing up the cache. One of the most important is to check for your Wi-Fi connection. Enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds and turn it back off. Switch it to your cellular data or a better Wi-Fi connection so that it can solve the issue of your TikTok photo swipe not working. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.